How to check compromised passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Passwords. This takes you to the Password Settings page. Here, scroll down and tap on Open Passwords. Then for security purposes, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode before you can proceed to your saved passwords. Go ahead and tap on the security option. Over here, you can view all the security recommendations for your accounts. Your iPhone will display a list of any compromised passwords that have appeared in known data leaks, as well as any reused or weak passwords. Following these steps, you can easily check for compromised passwords on your iPhone.